It's raining cats and dogs, excuse the pun, but it's not just the weather. It's raining, it's pouring, and things are really pouring down for Kagiso Lerutla. This is what happened today in the Gauteng High Court during the bail hearings of Ekurhuleni City Manager Kagiso Lerutla. Because what started out as a relatively straightforward fraud and corruption case is now something much bigger. Lerotla is not alone on the dock. He's standing there with suspended EMPD Deputy Chief Julius Mkwanazi. And according to the state, their stories are connected. So let's break it down simply. The state says back in 2019, Lerotla had a speeding case. Into court, there was allegedly a whole plan to avoid it. They claim an impersonator was arranged to appear in his place, and money around 400,000 rands was allegedly paid to make that happen. And this is where Mkwanazi comes in. Prosecutors say he's the one who helped organize the whole arrangement. But today, things took a turn because the state introduced something even more serious, a 2021 fatal crash. They allege Lerutla was driving a Mercedes G Wagon on the N12 when he collided with another car, and the other driver died on the scene. And then it gets worse. The state claims there was an attempt to interfere after the crash, including an alleged offer of 10,000 rands to a tow truck driver to remove the deceased before the police even arrived. Now, at this, the original police docket for that case is missing, gone from the SAPS storage, and now investigators are trying to reconstruct it. So when you see Lerutla and Kwanazi standing together in that dock, it's not random. According to the state, it's all connected. Right now, both men are facing serious charges, and the state is pushing hard against bail, saying they can't be trusted to stand trial if released. And honestly, with everything coming out today, it's not just raining anymore, it's pouring. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and ciao.